Today we are taking a look at this 2019 Newmar Ventana that is on the lot. Priced at $169,500, the versatility and functionality that is packed within this coach, I think you will find impressive, and know that this is a coach that's ready to make your RV dreams come true. Newmar crafted this coach to be 37 feet long, and while it may be a shorter coach, they still packed a lot of diversity on the interior. When you come into the coach, you're going to see a nice sofa area that's got some neat embellishments on it. Adds a lot of texture and richness to the interior, and then they have outfitted the coach with this Televator and a 48-inch flat screen TV. Across from it still creates that theater seating. We have the Flexsteel electric recliners here to increase your capacity. Now, the bench-style seating they have crafted is really roomy, even in a 37-foot coach. But this coach will double down. You can drop this table, move the cushions around, and you have even more area to sleep. The coach is built with 4 slides. So you have 2 slides in the front and then 2 slides in the rear. And if you notice, yes, I am standing in an L-shaped kitchen. So here in the galley area, we've got the full functioning sink, but by moving and allowing this slide here on the front of the coach to come up and over when you are in transit mode, it has allowed for a lot more counter space. You will see these nice composite countertops and a beautiful backsplash with, again, those attention to detail that really creates a residential style feel in your home that is on the road. Newmar crafted this coach to have both electric and then gas appliances. They ensured we still had a full residential size refrigerator in this unit. Across from it is the single bath. Because this is a 37-foot, they crafted and designed the bathroom to be here in the middle of the coach. So it still allows the functionality of accessing this restroom when you are in transit mode, but gives it full creature comforts of home. Newmar ensured that they utilized every square inch of this coach for storage. So you've got nice pantry areas as you move into the rear of the coach. They still kept the king-size bed and also outfitted with a nice tall closet, a lot of expanse to put your hang-up clothes, and then there you will see is your stackable washer and dryer. In the bedroom, they ensured there's still another TV and created a lot of drawer space for all of your belongings. I like the contemporary and tailored feel that this coach has. You will see we've got some nice tall ceilings. So the ceilings are almost at 7 feet tall, and that's allowed for this spacious living area, but yet Newmar didn't compromise your storage area in your bays. At 2019 model, this coach still has a lot of life left into it. And I do believe it being priced at $169,500, it is one of those coaches that allows for anyone who's ready to get out there on the road and experience all that life has to offer, especially in the RV lifestyle. I encourage you to come and take a look at this. I think you'll be impressed with the quality, the functionality, and sustainability that this unit holds. So come check out this 2019 Newmar Ventana here at Motorhomes of Texas.